Step 2, sell put options. Your next step to buying stocks at a discount is identifying which put option you are going to sell and then selling it. As an option seller, you have 3 choices when looking at which put option to sell. You can sell the at the money option, an out of the money option, or an in the money option. When selling puts to buy stocks, you are typically going to use an at-the-money put option. At-the-money options offer a nice balance between paying a good premium and giving you a good chance of actually having the stock put to you. The premium you receive for selling the put option directly impacts the discount you will get on your stock purchase if the stock is put to you. The higher the premium, the better the discount. As I mentioned above, some stocks offer extremely high premiums on their put options, either because the stocks are extremely volatile or everybody believes the stock is going to be moving lower. If you haven't done your homework and determined that the stock is one you want to own, you may be tempted to go for the stock with the highest premium.